This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. So I sort of, because this is when I myself invented it, and then I saw it in the sense of I just thought about it. And then I saw someone had one, and actually I'm like, oh, let me see what they did. And they didn't do actually what I did. But I told you guys last week, the bigger projects, I will plan it out as best I can, especially using counsel, and have it go and talk to other AIs to build a good plan. And then what I was doing at the time was I would just tell AI, hey, let's implement the first 3 or 4 things. Okay, now write a markdown file giving the history of where we started and what we've implemented and instructions on what to do next to an MD file, so I can close this session and start a new session and just read it, and it knows everything going on. So I was taking that approach and it was working great. And then I'm like, well, why don't I just build a skill that does this for me? So I created a skill now, and I just tell it, hey, let's make a handoff for the next steps. And it actually added a couple other things where it keeps track of the bugs that we fixed and stuff as well, which is really cool. So it notes the things that are like that actually were fixed and what were done, and it all gets put into the MD file. The only thing that I haven't done that I really don't like about it, if I was to share my screen, but I can just tell you in a second, when you open the file, it'll say like the name of it's like go. It doesn't use like the topic of what we were working on. So I just have to tell it, make it clear this is what we're working on, and that'll be the name inside VS Code of this is the name of the conversation. Because now I have like 5 goes, and I'm like, yeah, that doesn't help me at all. And even then, between projects, I'd be confused, right? So, but it allows me to make sure I don't get anywhere near, going past halfway for the context window of Claude. So it stays smart, stays snappy, stays focused. Members enjoy a sweet 25% discount on everything we offer, from in-depth courses to ready-made scripts and pro services. Members get unlimited access to 466 plus hours of video lessons, packed with AHK insights to binge learn whenever inspiration hits.